Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what I had to do and go through to install a Home Depot Anderson storm door. Now, on my house, I have stucco, and the stucco came all the way up to the door frame, which wouldn't allow me to install their standard size 36-inch wide door, which is cheaper than ordering a special door, a lot cheaper, and having them install it. So I'm going to take you through the steps of what I had to do to make this door fit.
Now, the first thing you do before you get your door is you want to measure your door frame out, of course, and you want to make sure that you do have enough room to put that door in and that it doesn't interfere with your door handle here. You just want to measure it out about 3 to 4 inches out and make sure that you do have enough room. In my case, that door would not fit in here. The stucco got in the way, so I had to build out a frame around the door and put 3.5-inch screws all the way through that wood, through my stucco, and into the door frame behind. My wall frame is behind this piece of wood here, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough to get to that frame there. And so this is how the frame around the door looks. These are 1x4s. They're just under 4-inch wide, but I had to deal with this gap between the wood, the stucco, and my house frame. So after caulking it and painting it, it looked pretty good. Okay, so after giving the door frame a couple of coats of paint, went ahead and installed it. Here you can see that it's all completely installed and everything was looking good. Just had a slight problem with the way the wall bowed out. Around the door handle, it fit just perfectly, but as you look down toward the bottom of the door, it flares out about 1/2 inch there. And then I'm going to pan up to the top here. You can see that it closes fine, but then at the top it flared out just a little. Not bad, but it was okay. We installed the door handle kit. Pretty easy to do if you just follow the instructions, just a few screws, and that little handle just goes right in. There's a little lever there on this handle kit that we don't need to use because we got the Anderson 3000 door, which has the retractable screen frame that hides up at the top. But that little lever there is for people that have to remove the glass. And so you would flip the door handle straight up. I'm fiddling with it because I didn't really understand how it worked. But then after reading about it, it's for the removable glass doors. Now, one of the main problems with building it out was we have now a 2-inch gap at the bottom of my door, which little animals, rodents, lizards, whatever, can come walking in anytime they want. Right now it's winter, so they're all pretty much dormant, but yeah, they could come right through there. So we did find a solution for this. There, I'm going to show you that gap from the inside, and you can see how much it bows out there at the bottom. And then I'm going to show you the top here, just how much it bows out there. About 1/8 of an inch there. Not bad, but yeah, what are you going to do when your wall's bowed out? Now, with the door seal, I have this particular seal, and you can buy an attachment for it. It clips right into that groove there. They're really nice. Found it on Amazon. I'm going to show you real quick just what it looks like. I went ahead and installed it. I had to cut little notches out to be able to install it. So I just trimmed it up a little bit there in that corner. And then on the other corner, we notched it out just a little, as you can see. You can still see daylight, through the bottom. Again, little lizards could come through there, but I'm not going to worry about it. This is how the door finally came out. And it looked great. I still wasn't that happy with it, so I decided to buy some bricks at Home Depot, and I got this bright idea of maybe just building out a little step and maybe hide those little gaps that are on the sides there. So I went ahead and laid out my brick, bought some cement along with it, cleared out the base there, drilled a couple of holes for some anchor bolts, and then went ahead and proceeded to cement the brick in. It came out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. You can see that my gap is completely closed up here on this corner. On this corner, we have a little light showing through, so we'll probably seal that up later on.
Well, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please hit the like button down below. And if you want to subscribe, that's up to you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it,